Boom.
record.
That's it. So, Tashidelek. Okay. Now, in the previous class, if you remember, Nansu Kari Jongpari, Nansu Kari Jongpari, what we learned? We learned some directions, right? Kimala, Yunchokla, Yechokla. We learned some of the directions.
Yes.
What? Today we will go a little bit more on this. How goes ma? Okay?
Oh, sorry.
That's it. That there. Nyekorla. How goes ma? Nyadengbo nye. A kanaru kora kor. La. Nyekorla. Nyekorla means around la. How goes ma? Nyekorla. Perna. Nye. Kangpe Nyekorla. Kangpa Mangpo Yure. Nye. Kangpe Nyekorla. Around la. Kangpa Mangpo Yure. Like this. How goes ma?
Tenzin.
Yes, please.
What's the difference between Nyekorla and Yeyunla?
That's very good. They are very similar. How goes ma? They are chikpare. You can use them in the same situation. You can use both of them. How goes ma? Very good. Before, in the previous lesson, we learned Ye Yun La. Oh, sorry. I missed the ka here. Oh, Ye Yun La. Tang Nye Kor La. Chikpare. How goes ma? Means around La. Rwa?
So why we have to do, you mean to say that when we say Nekorla and Yeyonla, it's a different situation or what?
Chikpare. Two
Chikpare.
different words, same meaning.
Okay, so you can use either. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, Chikpare.
How goes ma? Ye Yun La. Nye Kangpe Ye Yun La. Kangpa Mangpo Yure. Or Nye Kangpe Nye Korla. Kangpa Mangpo Yure. Like this. How goes ma? Chikpare. That's it. Yeah, then try checking be. Make record line da. Let's make sentence. Yeah. Nye Korla.
Okay. Nyekor. So France qui Nyekor. Spain, Tang, Italy, Tang, Belgium, Ure.
That's it. Nyekorla. Very good. France ki Nyekorla. Yanker Sungtang. You want to repeat? Very good sentence. Lasso.
France qui Nyekorla. Spain, Tang, Italy, Tang, Belgium, Ure.
Finish. Pego Sungsong. That's it. Or you can say France ki Yeyun La. Or Nyekorla. Chikpare. Pego. Very good. Then we have here. Raba. Yeah, Nimala Dilotang.
Zurla.
Oh,
Lamkey Zurla Truk Yore.
Kari?
Oh. Lamkey Zurla 둘씩 요래.
둘씩 duk yore marwa.
둘씩 둑.
It's like suddenly, oh, lamke sur, marwa. Lamke, lamka ki, or lamke surla, side la. Surla means side la. How goes ma? Side of road la. Lamke surla drill shikduk. Ruba. Oh, lamke surla drill shikduk. Or drill chikduk. Ruba. Drill. Snake re, snake. Ruba.
지키래.
Lamke surla drill shikduk. Peyago. That's it. Peyago sumso. Ruba. Lamke surla drill shikduk. That's it. Tene dil orona nimala.
길마라.
Kilmala.
아,
Middle
길마라.
center la.
아하. 징부 길마라. 냐 요래.
That's it. But this, I would say, Zingbu Nangla Nya Yuri is better, right? Instead of
오케이.
Kimala. Or you can say Zingbu Kimala Kawa Yuri. There is a pillar, you can say. Ruba?
오케이. 녜루 길라. 닌 요래.
That's it. Nye Lu Ki Killa. Nye Lu Ki Killa Ning Yuri. That's it. Nye Lu Ki or Nye Supu Lu body. Ruba? Nye Lu Ki Killa or Kimala. Killa is shortcut of Kimala. How goes ma? Here. Nye Lu Ki Killa Ning heart. Ning Yuri. Ruba? Ning. That's the same spelling of Shirab Ningpo, Heart Sutra. Ning. Sanyatanya. Kiku ni nga ning. How goes ma? Paya gosong nimalagi. Nge luki. Kimala or killa. Ning yuris. That's it. That's surla. Kimala. How goes ma? Tujiche nimala. Paya gosong. Yeah, deni en clear la hinda. En clear la dilog ta. Ale.
Sorry, I was just going to listen, but I think that says Kongla.
Gangla. Gangla.
Gangla. Gangla. Gangla.
Gangla. 아니 네 가르래.
Ikarere. Okla.
That's it. Gangla, Okla. On, under. Ruba? Gangla. Okla. That's it. Nge, Kangpe, Gangla, water tank, Yuri. That's it. Nge, Kangpe, Gangla, water tank, Yuri. That's it. Now, and Krela, you want to try? Gangla.
Okay. Tadanye gomde. Okay. Gomde ki roof gangla yu.
Gangla yu. That's it. Gangla yu. Tatanga gomdeki gangla yu. That's it. Paya bosungsong. Ani gomdeki okla kare yure.
Gangle ki okla riyere.
That's it. Kumde ki okla, riyure, okla, below la, under la. Agosuma. Kumde ki okla, riyure. That's it. Pe abusumsum, tujiche, enclave la.
To the chi.
Ne, yeah. Nicolela inda. Nicolela.
Lagala.
Hmm.
Yechogla. Yonchogla.
That's it. Ye chokla, right side la. Ye chokla. Agosuma. Yun
Khadaso.
chokla, left side la. That's it. Now shortcut, you can also say ye la. You can get rid of chok. You don't have to say right side la. You can say right la. Also, Agosuma shortcut. Ye la, yun la. Or ye chokla, yun chokla. That's it. Pe Agosum. Teneya Nicolela, Siktup Serona.
Nekampe Yechogla Yana Yela New Kanka Yore.
That's it. Nye kangpe ye chokla. Mulkang bank yures. That's it. Nye kangpe ye chokla. Mulkang yure. Pe awesong. Ani keranki kangpe yuen chokla kare yure.
Ne Kampe Yonchokra Bezo Kank Yore.
That's it. Nye kangpe yuen chokla. Bezo kang yure. Rwa library. That's it. Nye kangpe yuen chokla. Bezo kang yure. Pe awesong. Tujiche. Lasso.
Okay.
Lasso. Tene. Yeah, Wangmula in the Wangmula. Toshidelek Wangmula. No, Wangmula Toshidelek. Tini Loro.
Shala, Nubla.
Peako. Sharla. Nupla. Sharla. East la. Nupla. West la. How goes ma? And the name Wangmula. Siktup Serona.
Nge Kangbe Shala, Chiring Jigyere.
Karriere.
Park.
Pa.
Meaning park.
Linka. Linka Shigi. Yes. Ruba.
Linga Shigyere. Nge Kangbe Shala, Linga Shigyere.
That's it. Nye kangpe sharla linka shigures peawo. Ani?
Nge Kangbe Nubla, Lobja Shigyere.
That's it. Nye kangpe nubla lopta shigures. Lopta school wa. Peawo song song tuji che wamula. Laso. Tene ya. Di inda tarala inda tashidelek tarala.
Asimile gila.
Tarala di lorona.
Bunga.
Pa yata cha rwa.
Upaya Dacha. Chungla.
Chang. Changla.
Changla. What is Chang?
Changla. Changla labna north la. Agosma Chang.
Changla. Okay.
Ayata changa chang la. Changla. North la.
Okay. North.
Okay.
So and the next is To la.
Hare ha. La hatal ha.
Ha. Okay.
La. La galhasa.
Hasa. Okay. Hola. What is
Lola. South la. Agosma.
Hola? Okay. So this is north and then south. Okay.
Changla.
North. Okay. Um. Bangkok. Ne. Bangkok. Bangkok.
Bangkok ki changla.
Bangkok ki changla. Chiang Mai. Re.
Yure.
Yore. Okay. Bangkok ki Chiang Mai. Bangkok ki changla. Chiang Mai Yore.
That's it.
Bangkok ki Phuket Hola Yore.
Bangkok ki hola Phuket yure. Yang
Yore, yes. Bangkok ki Hola Phuket Yore.
That's it. Okay?
Ako song,
Don't
yes.
mix the identification ending.
Okay. Okay. Yore. Yeah. Okay.
That's it. That's it.
Yeah. This is the thing. Yes. Okay.
Tujiche Dharala. Then
Tunjuche.
also say Sharla is shortcut. If you can also see sometimes Shar Chokla, East Side La. Hagozunga. So that's it. Then you also know it's same. Chikpare. Hagozunga. Shar Chokla, Nub Chokla, or Sharla, Nubla, or Changla, Changchokla, or Hlola, Hlochokla. Chikpare. Hagozunga. Laso teneya. Wang chung chung la yin. Tashi de leg wang chung chung la.
다시 델레겐라 야라 야 말
Yar mar. Why I did that la here? Because ra is same as la here. If there is no ra, you can say yalla, 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 like this.
하고송
That's it. Now more common, yar mar. That's it.
하고송
Yar lavna up, mar lavna down. In terms of when you go up the hill and down the hill, yar
하고송
do, let's go up. Mar do, let's go down. That's mar do, yar do. That's what I mean.
하고송
Ne ya tsiktup setang yar.
야드로나 곰바유레
Peyabo. Yar do na gomba yure. Yar do na. Peyabo. Yar do na gomba yures. Now here, yar dro, go up. Na here is if. Okay? That's how you use it. Yar dro na, if go up. Ani? Gunpa yures. There is gunpa.
Since net.
Oh, so
Right?
something cut off internet. Lasso. Oh, lasso. Here. Wang Chung Chung La has made a sentence. Here, yar do na, if go up. Gompa yures. There is monastery. Peyawo. Ani?
곰바기 마라 총강 만보유레
Peyawo. Gompa ki mar chongkang mangpo yures. Peyawo. Peyawo sung sung. Tujichi.
알았어 두제체
Tujichi.
Tenzin,
Yes, please.
the sentence construction at the bottom, Yardrona. What's the na?
If. This na plays the if here. If go up. there is monastery. Gompa yore. Yar na gompa yore. That's it. How goes it? That's it. Very good. Pay attention. That is Dinda. One chunchula dixon. Tene Myla in the Tashidelek Myla.
Tashidelek.
Tashidelek Myla. Myla dilorona.
Par.
No.
Tsuru.
That's it. Par, tsu, or pala, tsula. Chikpare. This ra here attached with the pa is also same as la. Okay? That's it. They are same particle. That's it, which shows direction. Par, away. Sur, towards. That's it. So mostly we use it. Par, sur. When you say Padro, let's go there. Sursho, come here. Like this. Sursho.
Ako masong.
So we have a word like this. Sursho. That means come towards you. That means come here. Sursho, sursho. Like this. Par Duke. Go there. Then we say it's a command. Par Duke.
It's not polite, right? Pargyuk.
La. Not
Pargyuk, huh? Pargyuk.
not polite.
It's not polite form, right?
Not polite, not polite.
So it's only for friends or somebody like some junior person?
Yes, yes. So it's like when if it happens when you're very close or someone when you are angry or something like
I
that.
was going to say that when you're angry. Okay. Pargyuk. Okay.
That's Pagyu. Some people say when there is some animal coming towards them, they say, Paju, 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 like this. In the fear, they say this, as if they understand it. Paju, 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 like this. Then Sushu, Sushu. You can also, we say this to dogs. Sushu, Sushu, Sushu. Like this. That's it. Yeah, Myla, you wanna try?
Par is
Away.
Nga par kara yore. Can I say the other side?
Nga parla.
There's a food.
Nga pala you or nga pa you.
Gapar kara yore. Gapala kara yore.
Ale karila pain pala.
Para.
Pala
Kara
par. Pala. Kalak yuri la pain be.
kara yore.
There is food over there, Rabe. That's it.
Yes, yes.
Pala kalak yuri or par kalak yuri.
Par kara yore.
That's it. There.
Okay.
Any?
Chula. 치신 돈 요래.
Surla shingdong 없나요? Tree.
신동. No. computer 요래. 치시동. 치시홍.
Oh, lokle. Automatically.
Lokle.
Electronic brain.
Oh,
Lokle. Suppose,
okay.
lok means something electronic. Le means lepa. Brain. Suppose,
Okay. Hakosa.
that's it. Lokle. That's it. Well. Diba? That's it. Tigidu. Yabudu. Then we have here.
So what is the meaning? Sorry, Giri. What is the meaning of that sentence? Shurla, lokle, yore.
There is a computer here, over here, Ruba. Or laptop or computer, Ruba.
Sure is to watch, isn't it?
La, towards.
Yeah. So shurla, lokle, yore. Doesn't indicate that there is a computer over there.
So it is very similar as Dila and Pakila, Thela. Instead of Pala, you can say Thela, right? Instead of Tula, you can also say Dila, right?
Yeah, Dila. Yeah.
That's it.
Okay, so this is instead of Parla and then Shurla. Okay. Dila, okay. Dila, Lokle, Yore. Okay.
For Thela, we also say Pakila. Pakila. Over there la. Like this. We also use this.
Hakila, huh?
Okay?
Yeah.
So, now if you remember in the previous sentence, we learned a question here. Kiranki nang ne gonpa la karma khatsu drogure. Kiranki nang ne gonpa la karma khatsu drogure. Let's see. Yeah. McGregor la in the McGregor la. If I ask you, Keranki nang ne gomde la karma khatsu dogore.
But is nang is that what's the difference between nang and kang? Kangpa.
Nang and kangpa, nang home, nang ne from
Okay.
home. Ruba.
Okay.
Keranki nang ne.
Nge nang ne gomde la nimachik drogure.
That's it. Nye nang ne gomde la nima chik dogores. That's it. Pea wasn't from. Agosuna. Nye nang ne gomde la nima chik dogore. Pea wa. Pea wasn't so. Tujichi. Agosuna. We learned this sentence in the previous. Now I can ask anything. Ruba. Europe ne arila namdu nang chuchu katsu dogore. Ruba. I add transportation also. Europe ne arila America la namdu nang in aeroplane chuchu katsu dogore. Ruba. Like this. Yeah, dene Nimala inda. Nimala tashidelek. Nimala. Urusu ne jagarla namdu nang chuchu katsu dogore.
Urusu ne gyakar la namchu nang 주츠 숨 저거래.
That's it. 왜요? 오르스네 갸카르라 인디아라 남주낭 in aeroplane 남주낭 추추숨 그래. That's it. 왜요? 그봐. 하고스마. Before McGregor la you answered nge nangne gomde la nimachik dogere. Right? You can also add transportation right after the timing nimachik. Right? Nimachik karere mota nang dogere. Rebe.
Nge nang ne gomdela nam drunang. Yeah. Nge nang ne gomdela nam drunang nimachik drogere.
That's it. Nge nangne gomde la namtri nang nimachik dogere. That's it. 하고스마 빠야고 송송 도지치. Tene Nicolela inda, Nicolela.
Lagila.
Doshi deleg Nicolela.
Rashidele.
Keranki nangne sakang la kompa gyabne karma khazu dogore. Kompa gyabne.
Gompa Gyabnel Serna.
By walking.
Ne campe ne campane zakankla Gompa Gyabne karma nishitsam drogere.
That's it. Riba?
Can you spell it?
Kanaru komma kom. Kompa gyab. Ne. By walking. You have to go by walking. Kompa gyab ne dogere. That's it.
Yeah.
Now the focus here is dogere, need to go. We're talking about this ending. You need to go 15 minutes by walking. You need to go 1 day in aeroplane. Like this. How goes it? This ending, dogere, dogere. How goes it? Pe gosong song. Nge nangne sakangla kompa gyamne. Karma nishu 25 minutes. Dogere. That's it. Pe gosong song. Tujichi. Ene ya Wang Chung Chung la inda. Wang Chung Chung la.
So,
Wang Chung Chung la. Nihon ne Taiwan la namdui nang chitsu katsu dogere.
일본 내 타이완 라 남추나 주소 순 루글레.
That's it. Nihon ne Taiwan la namdui nang chitsu sun dogere. That's it. Pe gosong song. Very important sentence here. Very important to tell other people direction. Also to receive direction. Ruwa? Dogure, dogure. Haposuna? Pe aposung. Dene tarala inda. Tarala.
Yeah. Yes.
Bangkok ne Chiang Mai la motor nang, car nang, katsu dogure.
Bangkok ne Chiang Mai là motor
Nang.
motor nặng chỉ số chú chú đúng đúng 7
That's it.
chú chú đúng Drogore.
That's it. Harala, pe song. Bangkok ne Chiang Mai la, mota nang, chuchu dun, drogore. That's it.
Yeah.
Finish. Pe Hako songa,
Hako song.
keep practicing. Hako songa, harala.
Hako song.
Hmm?
Yeah.
Pe song, tuji che. That's it. Hola, sutine ya, wangmula inda, wangmula. Wangmula, keranki nang ne, chokmu nang la, mote nang, chuchu katsu drogore.
Nghe nắng nè chọc mơ nắng là một cha nắng chú chê đi chọc cái.
That's it. Nge nang ne, chokmu nang la, mote nang, chuchu ni drogore. Rwa, pe song song. Rest of us can answer in the mute also. Hako songa, chokmu nang la, nge nang ne, chokmu nang la. Rwa, maila inda, maila.
Genla, sorry
Yes.
what if he say half an hour?
Chuchu cheka.
Chuchu cheka.
Cheka means half. Cheka. Hako songa, pe. Ni maila, keranki nang ne, lekung la. Kopa gyab ne, karma khatsu drogore.
Oh my god nè. Nghe nang là
Nge nang ne, from my
nghe
house.
nang nè. Nghe nang nè lê kun là chút còn ba gia nè chút xin đâu rồi
Pe thak rinpore. Pe
thằng
thak
linh rồi
rinpore. Very far. Roba. Pe thak rinpore. Keranki nang ne, lekung la, kompa gyab ne, chuchu shi drogore. Roba. Pe thak rinpore.
thằng
Keranki
linh
nang
rồi
ne, lekung la, mote nang, chuchu khatsu drogore.
một thằng nghe nang là
Nang ne,
nghe nang nè
uh-huh.
lê kun là một thằng chút ni đâu rồi
That's it. Nge nang ne lekung la mote nang chuzi ni drogode. That's it. Pe awo song song tuji che.
tuji che
Ala tuji che. La so pe awo song song. Then today we will learn here. We already learn here. Ruba. Nge nang ne. Ruba. Tokme nang la direction. Chuzi chik timing. Then you can also add transportation, Ruba. As a mote nang, by walking, anything. How goes ma?
Genla,
Tenduma.
with deep apologies, transportation, you have an N extra after TAN. No N there.
Lasso. Okay. Yeah, full formula here. From current location
Direction.
to direction plus time plus transportation and ends in dogere.
Drogore. Okay.
That's it. For example, from current location, nge nang ne, Ruba, to nge nang ne, cheten la, Ruba stupa la, karma nga, 5 minutes, kompa gap ne, by walking, dogere. That's it. That's how you can build up this sentence. Ako nga, nge nang ne cheten la, karma nga, kumpa gyab ne, dogore.
Tenzin
Yes, please.
is Gompa Gyap to walk.
That's it.
So if you add ne, so it's so that's the rule. So if you say Gompa Gyap ne, it means by walking.
That's
Gompa
it.
Gyap means to walk.
That's it. That's it.
Okay.
So here in this case, ne is not from. Ako nga, kumpa gyab ne. Usually we see ne as a from. Kirang kane yin, nga pene yin. Riba? Nge nang ne, from my house. Starbucks ne, from Starbucks. Riba? Like this. But here, kompa gap ne means by walking. How goes nga? Kompa gap ne, drogore. That's it. That's how you make sentence.
So we travel Mekornang, Pakpagang, but Gompa Gyapne.
That's it. By walking. How goes nga? Very good question. So
yeah, well, because the difference. Oh, but the difference is because the first two examples Nima just said are nouns, but the walking is a verb. Is that not the difference?
So when you say by walking, I take it as a transportation style. Okay? By walking, by car, by bike, by aeroplane. So different types of transportation. So I include by walking also there. Because of that ne, the verb became noun. That's it. Okay? Now it doesn't have to be from current location. You can also say any location. Brazil ne Tokyo la namdri nang nimachik dogure. Like this. So for transportation and time, if you switch this arrangement, it doesn't affect the meaning of sentence. You can say either of them before or later. No difference. So Brazil ne Tokyo la nimachik namdri nang dogure. Or Brazil ne Tokyo la namdri nang nimachik dogures. Chikpare. Agosma, no difference. Not much difference. Okay? Then we will also elaborate how to use na, if, na as a if. When you add it with the draw na, if go, if go. Now let's add direction. Ye la draw na. Ye la draw na, if go right. Ye la draw na. Then sakang la, to sakang, sakang la, lepkires. Now, if you remember, we know that kire is future tense. Verb plus kire is future tense. Lep means arrive. You will arrive at restaurant if go right. That's it. Ye la drona sakang la lepkire. Agosunga, ye la drona. If go right, you will reach Sakang. Rwa. Ye la drona, Sakang la lepkire. Now let's add from this to ye la. Rwa. Dine, simple direction. From here, dine, ye la drona. From here to right, if go. Restaurant la lepkire. Sakang la lepkire. Dine ye la drona. Now instead of di, you can change this to nge khangpa ne, nge nang ne, ye la drona. Right la drona. Rwa? Nge nang ne yun la drona. Rwa? Now gomde ne ye la drona. Gomde ne yun la drona. Rwa? Gomde ne ye la drona. Sakang la lepkire. That's it. That's how you make sentence. How goes nga? Let's instead of D, let's say lopta school. Rwa? Lopta ne yun la. Let's say left la. Yun la drona. Lamka la at road. Lepkire. That's it. Very important sentence. How goes nga? Lopta ne yun la drona. Lamka la lepkire. Now you can change lopta to anything. Lopta ne, nge nang ne, Brazil ne, yun la, ye la, shar la, nup la, chang la, po la, gang la, wok la, yar, mar, par, tsur. You can change this using all directions. How goes nga? You know one sentence structure. You know many of them already. You just need to change the words. Lopta to something else. Yun la to something else direction. Rwa? Wide range of sentence. How you can practice it. Lopta ne yun la dona lamka la lipkire. Nge nang ne. Rwa? Dun la dona. If you go front. Nge nang ne dun la dona. Chongkang la lepkire. Shop la lepkire. Rwa? We already know Sakang here. Let's say Chongkang shop. Rwa? Chongkang. Sakang. Chongkang. How goes nga? That's it. Let's try. Yeah. Nicolela inda.
Alagala.
Nicolela, let's using na, draw na, rwa, and la lepkire ending will arrive. Rwa? Tindejik. Serona. Situ.
Sakankne. Gulkanka la lepkire.
That's it. Sakang ne ye la drona. Ngulkang la lepkires. Bank la lepkires. Will arrive. We know kire is future tense. Rwa? That's it. You are telling direction. Sakang ne ye la drona. Ngulkang la lepkires. That's it. Paya sung sung. Nikole la. Tujiche. Yeah, Mac la. Try chetan.
So I wanted, just before that, I wanted to ask about Lamka. Is that road? Because I thought road was lam. Is
Yes.
Lamka and lam the same thing?
Same thing, yes. That's
okay. Okay.
That's
So you want me to make a sentence here?
Yes, yes.
Gomde. Gomde ne Perpignan la. Oh no, sorry, that's can you come? Yeah, can you go to someone else and maybe if there's time after, I'll do a sentence.
You mean directions? Here.
No, sorry, I've just had brain freeze, so I can't think.
Okay, no problem. So right now we are talking about from here to go there. If you go from here to there, you will reach somewhere. That's what we are learning. Okay? How goes one? So for example, we have Loptane from school. Loptane, yun la, left la, dona, if go. Right? Lamka la lepkire. Will reach at the road. How goes me? For example, Gomde ne ye la, dona, rila lepkire. Like this. Anything. How goes?
Okay, Gomde ne Marla Drona Chu Chu Lepkire Chula Lepkire.
Chula, water la lepkire. Right? Gomde ne mar or mala dona, chula lepkire. That's it. Just like that, McGregor practice it. How goes this sentence? If you go from here to there, you will reach da da da. Like this. That's what we are learning. How goes Teneya Maila in the Maila. Try Chetan.
日本ね、チャンラとな、ウルスラレプキレ。
That's it. Nihon ne Changla, Northla Dona, Urusula Lepkide. Very perfect sentence. There was something.
对不起姐。
Che Maila. Teneya Wangmula in the Try Chetan.
Lokjane chilokla jona lamga lepkire.
Lamkala Lepkide.
Lamgala lepkire.
Loptani Chilokla outside la Dona Lamkala Lepkide. That's it. There was something. Tarala Try Chetan. Yeah.
Okay, I will try something from the house, okay? Nghe khang pa la
Kangpa ne.
khang pa ne nghe khang pa ne ye la drona mo la karma chu lepkire.
Molla lepkire. You don't need karma.
Okay. Mo la lepkire.
That's it. That's it. Payable. Nge nang ne. Ye la. Molla lepkire. If you want to add karma, you have to add it before dona.
Okay. Okay.
That's it.
Nghe, okay, so then I'll say nghe nang ne
Nge nang.
yela or karma chu first or yela first?
No. First direction from your house to something. Then
Okay.
time.
Okay. Okay. I forgot that part. Yes. Okay. nghe năng nề ye là karma chu drona mola leptire.
That's it. Finish. Peo sung sung. Nghe nang ne ye la karma chu dona mol la lepkire. Peo sung sung. Tuti che. Tene ya wang chung chung la inda. Try chigi imbe.
햄버기 추소네 웬라 조나 맹캉라 lepkile.
That's it. Chezo ne yun la dona menkang la lepkire. Peo sung sung. Ya en clear la try chigi imbe. Ale en clear la yosamade. Tene sure maila char sungwe. Wang mo la imbe. Ya.
Gambane yana gamanga jona linga lepkire.
Linka la.
Linga la lepkire.
That's it. Kwempa ne yun la karma nga dona linka la lepkire. That's it. Just like that, I encourage us to practice like this. Hako suma nimala yin. Nimala sungro na.
Tenzin la keranki desa ne yar Jona kavar lapkire.
Pero. Keranki nang ne yar dona kabar lepkire. That's it. Nge nang ne yar dona halchok. It's the name of a place. Halchok la lepkire. That's it. Ruba, it's the name of a village name. Halchok. Nge nang ne yar dona halchok la lepkire. That's it. Very good question, Ruba. Right now we are learning how to say the answer statement. We will also learn how to question it. Agosma. Today, specifically, we learn some directions and two important sentence structure. Nge nang ne yun la karmanga dona lamka la lepkire. You will read somewhere. Right? Then we also learn nge nang ne ten la karmachu mote nang dogere. You need to go 10 minutes from my house to somewhere else. Right? These two sentence structure make it habit. Let it come natural, right? Without thinking. The practice chero. That's it for today. Thank you very much. Rashid Delek.
Just a short question, Tenzin la.
Yes, please. Yes, please.
In some previous lesson, you give us very interesting word, two-syllable na, bao sa asa. Wear cloth in honorific register.
Yes.
But if I hear this, it's not nasa, it's something like namsa.
Yes, but that's wrong translation, wrong pronunciation. We also
the question about
nowadays
pronunciation. Yes,
they don't say tata, they say thanta like an N there, trying to make it melodious, like this. But you have to read it properly. Nasa, that's it.
So how native pronounce this?
In Uyghur area, Namsa, because they tend to speak more in the middle. They are speak more, what do you say, melody and more cheesy. In a
M, so they put M inside, right? Namsa, something like this.
Namsa.
Thank you.
Okay, that's it. So Nasa, cloth. That's it. Ni tujiche trashi dalek. Thank you for coming.
Tujuche Gela.
Tujeche.
Tujena,
La
Tujena.
Dilyum. Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
Sawadika.
Thank you very much, Lasso.
Sawadika.
Thank you.